Albert Einstein wasn't your typical scientist. While most physicists at the time were grounded in lab experiments and detailed mathematics, Einstein did something different. He daydreamed. He allowed himself to imagine, to explore beyond what anyone else was seeing. And it was these moments of imagination, often quiet and solitary, that sparked some of the most groundbreaking ideas in science. One of his most famous thought experiments happened during one of these moments. Einstein imagined himself riding on a beam of light, hurtling through space at the speed of light itself. It sounds like the plot of a sci-fi movie, but for Einstein, this vision was more than fantasy. He wondered, if I could move at the speed of light, what would the world around me look like? Could time still move the same way for me as it did for someone standing still? This question led Einstein down a rabbit hole of incredible ideas. In this vision, he began to realize that time might not be the fixed, universal constant people assumed it was. Instead, time could be different depending on where you were and how fast you were moving. This was the seed of what we now call the theory of relativity, an idea that would turn physics on its head. But it wasn't just light speed, daydreams that led him to this revolutionary theory. Einstein had other thought experiments too. He imagined trains moving at near light speeds, people standing on platforms, clocks ticking differently for different observers. So, what did this all mean? Essentially, Einstein was proposing that time is relative. For example, a person traveling close to the speed of light would experience time slower than someone standing still. This concept, known as time dilation, was revolutionary. Think about it. If you flew into space at near light speed and then returned, you might only age a few years while decades could have passed on Earth. These ideas were bold, almost too bold for the time. Many scientists dismissed them at first, thinking Einstein was simply dreaming too big. But Einstein was persistent. In 1905, he published his theory of special relativity, followed by the general theory of relativity in 1915. These theories didn't just change physics, they changed our entire understanding of the universe. Concepts like black holes, the warping of space, and even the expansion of the universe all find their roots in Einstein's ideas. And here's the incredible part. All of this started from moments of quiet, thoughtful imagination. Einstein's daydreams weren't just idle fantasies. They were structured thought experiments. He would play with ideas in his mind, testing the limits of possibility in a way that most people wouldn't dare. His approach shows us that sometimes the biggest breakthroughs come not from hard facts and data, but from letting your mind wander, exploring the impossible. In the end, Einstein's journey reminds us of the power of imagination. He taught us that daydreams can change the world. His theories are still essential in modern physics today, helping us understand everything from GPS technology to predicting the existence of gravitational waves. Einstein proved that sometimes simply imagining what if can lead to answers that change humanity's understanding of it.